पैसे तो फूक ही दिए, तो चलो अब एक हॉल ही कर लेते हैं नायका पिंक समर सेल का. So first I got this 10% salicylic acid and sulfur acne paste from Clayco. Let's see कि अब ये इनका क्या करता है. So ordered this Anua cleansing oil. Also wanted to try this Etude water tint, so ordered in the shade orange. Although मैं बहुत skeptical हूँ, but I think it gives a very natural finish, so I already love it. This is me second time purchasing this Beauty of Jisoo eye serum, क्योंकि जो मेरे पास पहले था वो मेरा भाई चुरा के ले गया है. Also got this Dove body polish और ये मुझे buy one get one पे मिला है. And it smells incredible. Summers में मेकअप को इंटैक्ट रखने के लिए you need a alcohol based setting spray, so I have ordered this L'Oreal infallible setting spray. The entire internet is raving about this one product, so let's see what the hype is all about. Last I got this glitter oil roll on from Swiss Beauty. It's very convenient to use, so I had to try this. Just look at this. You can get all these products at crazy discount at Nykaa Pink Summer Sale, so comment down for any links and I'll see you in next one. Okay, bye.